Hi everyone, Lazy Money UK here. I'm discovering the easiest ways possible to create income from home. If you like the sound of that, remember to hit like and subscribe. I thought WeAre8 could use some help promoting their new money-making app, since their own efforts are likely to scare people off. This company are on a mission to redirect advertising revenue away from corporations and towards consumers and charities, because this enables world peace, or something like that. All you really need to know is that WeAre8 pays you to watch adverts. This app is going to send you notifications when new videos are available. They almost always get stuck during viewing and need a bit of encouragement to make it through. After watching the advert, there is a quick micro-survey consisting of 1 to 3 questions. This makes it quite similar to another app I use called OnePulse. You typically get paid 20p per video, and money is also donated to charity each time. It takes 30 days to actually be credited for the view, but the minimum withdrawal is just £1. I've saved up my earnings to show you some payment proof. The adverts don't appear as frequently as I would like, with new notifications arriving every few days. However, WeAre8 have made it their goal to bring users as many as 10 videos per day. If they manage to make that dream a reality, the app will become an invaluable asset to the online earning community. For now though, it's still great. Thanks for helping the channel grow by staying to the end of the video. Hit subscribe for more lazy money making tips.